Hello everybody, this is Alex from Alex Adventures, and today is another episode of Let's Talk About It. Let's talk about it. Okay, my previous video was about the quick release mount for the Insta360 Go3. Quite useful, sturdy, and can be attached either on the GoPro mount or either on a normal like tripod or like normal camera mount. And this is from Insta360, so it's the original one, and it cost around 5,000 yen on Amazon and same on the Insta360 site. But today what I have here is a made in China quick mount release for the Insta360 Go3, and it costs almost half price. So let's see what's it inside. Not fancy like Insta360, but okay, we have some protection. Then we have the quick release mount. Okay, so here is the, what is it called? Hip hail. And here is the Insta360 Go3. It is smaller. It has kind of like sponge protection. It is also has, of course, the mount for the GoPro accessories, as well as the, I believe, yes, the same as the camera, the normal camera accessories on the middle. But let's see how it is with the Insta360 Go3. Okay, the other side. Okay, you have to lock this, so this one has to be locked, and then, wow, okay, quite good. Look at that. That is okay, it does the job. Release. I can say that it is shorter compared to the Insta360 original, but it is quite bulkier. Maybe it's more, there is more deep here, but hey, almost half price. So, is it still made in China good? Well, for some things like this, it looks like yes. Let's try to mount it on an accessory and see. Let's see how it goes with the GoPro small tripod. Okay, seems good to me. Okay, seems working fine. Quick release. Oh yeah, quick release. And then let's try on the normal tripod. Okay, yeah. Very good. Perfect. So now the question is, shall we go with this one? Whoa! Shall we go with the original one or the shorter one, Chinese version? Well, if it's a matter of money, the Chinese one is almost half price as the Insta360 one. About the material, it seems to me it's quite strong and good and durable material. I don't see any flaw or faulty stuff or whatever. Well, what do you think? You can comment below and let me know. And of course, I think there are even much more of this kind of tool made by other companies. But I don't want to say anything, but I believe that this Insta360 also probably is made in China. Okay, so what do you think? Chinese, original one? Okay, it's all from today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you to the next video. Take care, bye bye.